Tom was a young boy who lived in a small village. He loved to play with his friends and run around in the fields. But Tom had a dream. He wanted to grow the best vegetables in the village. His parents had a small piece of land behind their house, and Tom wanted to turn it into a beautiful garden. One day, Tom told his parents about his dream. They smiled and said, "Tom, if you work hard, you can achieve anything." Tom was very excited. He took a small shovel and started digging the soil. It was not easy. The soil was hard, and Tom's hands hurt. But he did not give up. Every morning, Tom woke up early. He watered the soil and pulled out the weeds. He planted seeds of carrots, tomatoes, and beans. He also planted some flowers because he wanted his garden to look pretty. Days turned into weeks, and weeks turned into months. Tom's friends often came to play with him, but Tom always said, "I have to take care of my garden first." His friends laughed and said, "Tom, you work too hard. Come and play with us." But Tom smiled and said, "I will play later. My garden is important." One day, Tom saw small green shoots coming out of the soil. He was so happy. He ran to his parents and said, "Look. The plants are growing." His parents were very proud of him. They said, "Tom, your hard work is paying off." Tom continued to take care of his garden. He made sure the plants got enough water and sunlight. He also protected them from bugs and animals. His garden started to grow. The tomato plants had bright red tomatoes, the carrot plants had big orange carrots, and the bean plants had long green beans. The flowers also bloomed beautifully. One morning, Tom woke up and went to his garden. He saw that all the vegetables were ready to be picked. He was very excited. He picked the tomatoes, carrots, and beans and put them in a basket. He also picked some flowers and made a bouquet. Tom's parents helped him take the vegetables to the village market. Tom set up a small stall and arranged the vegetables and flowers neatly. People from the village came to see Tom's stall. They were surprised to see such fresh and beautiful vegetables. They asked Tom, "How did you grow these vegetables?" Tom smiled and said, "I worked hard every day." The villagers bought all the vegetables and flowers. Tom was very happy. He earned some money from the sales. He thanked his parents for their support and said, "I want to save this money and buy more seeds for my garden." Tom's garden became famous in the village. People often came to him for advice on how to grow vegetables. Tom always said, "If you work hard and take care of your plants, they will grow well." Tom continued to work in his garden every day. He loved seeing the plants grow and produce vegetables. He learned that hard work and patience always pay off. Tom's dream had come true, and he was very proud of himself. Tom's success with his garden inspired the whole village. People who had never thought of growing their own vegetables started to show interest. Tom was happy to share his knowledge and help them. He felt proud when he saw new gardens sprouting up around the village. One day, Mr. Green, the village schoolteacher, came to visit Tom. He said, "Tom, you have done a wonderful job with your garden. How would you like to teach other children about gardening?" Tom was thrilled at the idea. He loved helping others and thought it would be fun to teach his friends. Mr. Green arranged for Tom to give a gardening class at the school. Tom prepared for the class with great excitement. He made a list of all the important things he had learned: how to prepare the soil, how to plant seeds, how to water the plants, and how to take care of them. On the day of the class, many children came to listen to Tom. He stood in front of the class with a big smile. "Hello, everyone," he said. "Today, I am going to teach you how to grow your own vegetables." Tom explained each step carefully. He showed them how to dig the soil and plant the seeds. He talked about the importance of water and sunlight. The children listened attentively and asked many questions. Tom was patient and answered all their questions. He enjoyed teaching and felt proud to share his knowledge. After the class, Mr. Green said, "Tom, you did a great job. The children learned a lot from you." Tom felt very happy. He realized that teaching was another way to help others and make a difference. As time passed, Tom's garden continued to flourish. He experimented with new plants and tried different gardening techniques. Some plants did not grow well, but Tom never gave up. He learned from his mistakes and tried again. He knew that hard work and persistence were the keys to success. One day, the village decided to hold a gardening competition. Tom was very excited and decided to participate. He worked even harder to make his garden look beautiful. He planted colorful flowers around the vegetables and kept the garden neat and tidy. The day of the competition arrived. People from neighboring villages came to see the gardens. The judges walked around, examining each garden carefully. When they reached Tom's garden, they were very impressed. They saw the healthy vegetables and beautiful flowers. They asked Tom many questions about how he had grown such a wonderful garden. After looking at all the gardens, the judges announced the winners. Tom's garden won the first prize. Tom was overjoyed. He received a big trophy and a certificate. The judges praised him for his hard work and dedication. Tom's parents were very proud of him. They said, "Tom, you have shown everyone that hard work pays off. We are very proud of you." Tom smiled and thanked his parents for their support. The news of Tom's victory spread across the village. People admired him and sought his advice. Tom was happy to help them. He knew that by sharing his knowledge, he could inspire others to work hard and achieve their dreams. Tom continued to work in his garden, always looking for ways to improve it. He learned new techniques and experimented with different plants. He also continued to teach the children in the village. He enjoyed seeing them learn and grow. Tom's journey taught him many valuable lessons. He learned that hard work, patience, and persistence were essential for success. He also learned the joy of helping others and sharing knowledge. Tom's dream had come true, and he was happy and content. Years later, Tom grew up to become a renowned gardener. He wrote books about gardening and traveled to different places to give lectures. He always remembered his small garden in the village and the lessons he had learned. Tom's story became an inspiration for many people. He proved that with hard work and dedication, anyone can achieve their dreams. And so, Tom's legacy lived on, reminding everyone that hard work truly pays off. The end.